How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm Hardy here. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make the glitch text transition in Filmora 11. That's easy way to do that, and that look great. So let's begin. I'm jumping to the whole Filmora interface now, and with the first, I'm gonna introduce to you the resources I'm gonna use today. With the first, that is the default title, and I go to the element window to take the my background with neon green screen background pack element 8 and some effect from the effect windows. So now let's begin with the first. I'm gonna do with the text first, but with first I gonna drag dragon's green screen for my background, and I go to the title and show the default title, right? So I just here, so I adjust the title fit with this position that I want in the screen. Now I change this. So here I change the title with the hi hello guy, right? So right here it goes to admin. Oh, sorry, I want to share with you a new feature in the title of Filmora. That's a word art. That's a new feature that allows the word art that look great, and you can use it to save your time to edit your title, right? Into this, and now I go to the advanced, and first I want to change the font, and here a lot of the font you can change any font you want for your title, right? So after that, I just to the font and I adjust a little bit to fit well within the screen, and then to make a shadow. So shadow that easy. I choose this one, and then I choose black, right? You see that? And with this you can increase or decrease to make it fit, right? So when I done with the title, I just click OK, and you might wonder, so why I put a background here? So I'm gonna explain you shortly that I use this background here to measure the text fit how it's fit with the position in the background. If you don't have background, that's just black background, so you don't see anything. And now I want to measure the title to make sure that fit that right position on the screen on the background. Do that. So when I'm done with the adjust for my title, I delete the background and I take a snapshot, right? So I do this the same for whole my title, and now here I just go to the media window and I import all the files I've done before, like this. Sorry, here that's all the title I done by that way I show you several times. So here I go to element again and I choose the background and make it about uniform and make it about 15 seconds, right? Okay. Now with its full text is a title, I make it about 2 seconds only, right? Now with the first part today, I'm gonna cut it into the four parts. But first of all, I want to lock the background to make sure it's not so it fit here and nothing to change this, right? So here I want to make with the 1 second for animation appear double click here and make an animation here. Click customize, add keyframe here 1 and keyframe here. There it is. So now I make the opacity over opacity 0, so that will take a look. You see that? Now that I done with the first part. So second part, second part, I separate for 3 part. 1, sorry, 4 part, right? Now with each part, I go to the effect and choose the, sorry, let me take a look. I choose the negative flip. Negative flick right here, flicker, right? So I grab the graphic in the A part like this. And now, you see that? It's like the neon, right? So, with the last part today, I'm go to the effect again and to the weak signal 1. I put it into the tag and I double click and I put a little bit adjust in my, sorry, if not a little bit adjust for the weak signal 1 with the mouse each one and direction I want it. Here you take a look. It's like this, but I want is from the down, from the top to down, right? Yes, you see it. But it's too much and frequent. I just make it 0.05. Now take a look again. Sorry, strength 0.5. Now just take a look. See that? And I just draw my, and now I import again with this title and I adjust it for 2 seconds. For about 2 seconds only, right? So I just cut it right here. And I go to the effect and choose the, here I go to the effect, I find the dramatic, sorry, effect here. I choose the dramatic aberration, right? I put it between the, I just make it fit and between the 2 soft. And now you just take a look again. You see that? And now I just do the same for whole my video, for whole my tag, and then I put all my tag here and make all of them just about 2 seconds, right? So that's how I done with the effect and to make an effect for each tag today. So to just take a look again. You see that what I done, right? You see the look, the last. You see that? Okay. So for the last part today, I make it with the audio parts. So I go to the audio and with the first I choose the background for the trendy instrumental. See that? So I adjust it a little bit slow down, right? Low down, I make it low down, and then I go to the sound effect, and with the first I choose the TV glitch noise to put the sound effect right here, right? Right here, and it's a part of the text, and with the transition or with the effect, I put this sound back TV glitch noise here, right? So one more here, and now, so I choose the video game for video game. This, this is the take for the neon tag first, right? I just get, I just cut it apart in it. Sorry, and I copy for 1, 2, 3. Right here. So take a look right here. Now you see here again. 1, 2, 3, right? Now I do the video game 16 to make the sound effect at each time the new day comes, like this. When like this, and I put it here, I just cut it and use the beat, sorry, like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how I done with the audio part. So now just take a look and hear the sound effect, how it works with my take glitch transition today. See that? Like this. See that? So that's how I done with all my glitch text transition today, guys. So I hope it's useful for you and that you enjoy my video today. If you like my video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe my channel and put your comment below if you want to ask me something about the Filmora. It's our pleasure to share with you anything I know. I have know about the Filmora 11. Thank you very much again and see you next video, guys. See ya.